During 1960s, symbolic approaches had achieved great success at stimulating high-level thinking in small demonstration programs, and by the 1980s, it achieved great success with expert systems. Okay, so approach based on cybernetics and artificial neural networks were abandoned or pushed into the backward. Okay, now, like at that point of time around 1960, they were pushed back, abandoned. Now they are coming into picture, they are playing major role. Researchers in 1960 and the 1970 were convinced that the symbolic approaches would eventually succeed in creating a machine with artificial general intelligence, AGI, and consider this the goal of the field. Okay,